I was literally pulling out my phone to call you, but it takes you to let you talk.
How did she get there? Get over there, wait a minute. He found that secret out.
It was like a secret door, but it was like a employee access.
Retrieve any lost items from the paddock once they're gone. I'm here to help keep you and your belongings safe during your Raptor run today.
Thanks to major advances in genetic engineering that we have pioneered right here on the Jurassic World campus, combined with the ultimate state-of-the-art safety precautions, you are about to come face to face with these magnificent creatures in a way that you might have to go back in time millions of years to experience. Of course, guest safety is our paramount concern. In the grooming stations, each specimen undergoes a complex, comprehensive examination after every running cycle. Every aspect of the animal's physical condition, ophthalmological, dental, respiratory, and cardiovascular, is kept under close and constant monitoring. Our internationally recognized team of more than 40 specialized veterinarians, as well as our elite team of 20 every
For your safety to re-enter the locker after riding. Remember to keep your park ticket with you at all times. You will need your park ticket to reopen your assigned locker. symbol or color to retrieve your items. You must put all of your loose items, except the park ticket, in the locker. Don't forget to empty your pockets. You will be going through metal detection. Make sure to empty any beverages into the safe before placing it in the locker. When you return, you will arrive to the other side of the lockers. So hold on to your ticket. Look for key markers.
Hello and welcome to Universal Orlando Resort. In addition